Hello, everyone. My name is Angela Owens with Phenomenal Business Solutions, and I help car dealerships streamline their finances, increase their profits, and grow their businesses. Today, we are still on the series for sourcing your vehicles, and today's topic is going to be turning your repos into reliable inventory. So repos are a hidden sourcing tool because you already own the vehicle, you know the vehicle's history, and you can avoid auction fees and wholesale losses, and you can control the resale process from start to finish. So this is how you can identify your repossessions. You want to review the condition. Is the car still mechanically sound? Evaluate the resale potential. How would you retail it again today? Check the mileage, body, and title status, and also compare to current market demand. So the vehicles that you repossess, are they actually resellable? And here's smart steps to take after you repossess a vehicle. You want to do a full vehicle reconditioning assessment so that you can find out how much it's going to cost for you to repair the vehicle. Secure the title and ensure legal clearance. Make sure that you're staying within the guidelines of your state and what you are supposed to do after you repossess a vehicle. Clean up the customer account. If you have to do a write-off, make sure that it's still within the guidelines of your state. And document reconditioning costs for pricing decisions. Now, you want to decide if you want to sell the vehicle retail or wholesale. So if there's low miles, there's clean title and good service history, you want to retail it. If it's high risk, frame damage or low margin, you might want to wholesale that. You want to do a really good margin analysis before you decide which way you want to go with this. Like, how much is it going to cost to repair it? How much did you lose on it? Those are things that you need to keep in mind when you decide if you want to retail it or wholesale it. So with the retail, you get a higher return, but you might have to hold it a little bit longer. So marketing former repos successful, you don't want to advertise it as a repo. You can position it as a dealer inspected vehicle. You want to highlight what the services that you did on the vehicle and also use financing to make the deal attractive. So maybe offer buy here, pay here for this vehicle. Also consider warranty or add-ons to boost the value. So here are some cash flow considerations that you may want to think about. Repossessions hurt in the short term, but it can pay off. Resale generates unexpected revenue from a loss, and a great way to replenish inventory without having to spend extra cash. And you can track ROI on each repo unit that you've sold. So your next steps that you want to do, you want to review your current repossession list. Pick one or two units that are to evaluate for resale and set up a resale process that you're going to use each time where you're doing the inspection, pricing, and marketing, and see how you want to proceed with each vehicle. Also use every sourcing opportunity to protect your margin. So if you haven't been following this series, this is a good series for you to check and go through and find different ways that you can source your vehicles. And if you keep good accounting, you can check and see which source is going to help your cash flow the most. If you need assistance with any of that, you can book your free profit and cash flow analysis with me today at angelajones.com/calendar. If you haven't already downloaded my ebook, you can go to angelajones.com/5 mistakes. And also make sure that you're following all of my social media, especially my YouTube, because these videos do expire after a while, and you can catch all of these videos on YouTube. So have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday. Bye.